You're probably not even going to notice that on a budget keyboard versus this one. So pretty much this is kind of more like an ego kind of thing. Hey guys, what is up? What is going on, my friends of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the new Corsair K70 RGB Rapid Fire mechanical keyboard. And guys, I have been keeping my eyes on this gorgeous looking thing, and I'm going to explain to you guys why I got this keyboard. It's not only because of the RGB effects. I am not really an RGB enthusiast, so I didn't get a keyboard because of that. I do appreciate the whole RGB thing and whatnot, but I'm going to give you guys my opinion and why I got this keyboard. Well, one of the many features is I don't have to deal with the FN key, the function key. I don't have to deal with that, and that's something that I appreciate so much. Right here at the corner of the keyboard, I got the volume up and down. Right here, guys, pretty much I have a little mixer integrated into the keyboard. As an example, if you don't have, an audio mixer out here, or audio interface, pretty much, guys, you can use your computer audio from the motherboard. And right here, this is your volume up and down. We have the mute button, we have the pause button, the rewind, fast forward and pause, and we got the forward key. And that is one of the main reasons why I decided to go ahead and get this keyboard. I am tired of dealing with the function key. I really hate it. Another thing that I like is that we have a dedicated key for Windows lock. It's right here. So that's another plus that I like this keyboard and whatnot. And another one, it's the brightness of the the lighting effect. We got low, medium, and high. And well, guys, pretty much that is the main reason why I got this keyboard. Now you could say, well, Sergio, there's some other options out there that you could have gone to, but honestly, guys, I have been keeping my eyes into the K70 series of Corsair, and I finally decided to pull the trigger, and bam, I got it on eBay, brand new, $155 is what I paid. Free shipping and whatnot. And like I said, guys, take away that is the fastest mechanical keyboard ever, 100% anti-ghosting and full key rollover USB with 100% Cherry MX speed gaming switches, guys, with 1.2mm actuation point and 45 grams of force. And I am reading right here on the back of the box, most of the keyboards have a 2mm actuation point, and that means travel distance. This one has 1.2 versus 2mm. That's a big difference. And honestly, guys, I already did some gaming with this keyboard. I have had it for more than 7 hours. I have been messing around with the RGB effects and whatnot. And like I said, guys, I am not big into having a whole bunch of lights and effects and downloading new profiles to have RGB effects and whatnot. I am not an enthusiast of those type of things. The main reason, like I said, why I got this keyboard, it's because there's no function keys, it's rapid fire, the travel distance. It's just an amazing keyboard. Now, talking about how the keyboard was built, there's one thing that I don't like. Some people like it, some people don't, and it's the top metal here. It's brushed aluminum, and what happened is when you put your finger right there, pretty much it stays there forever. Your greasy hands, my greasy hands, I can dry them, and I can touch the keyboard, the plate, and it's marking in there, it stays there. So that is one thing that I truly dislike of this keyboard. I wish that they would have went with something else. It does look beautiful, and the keyboard is very, very sturdy. It's like any other keyboard, and I like what they did. I'm sorry, the keyboard is connected, so that's the reason why I'm doing the review like this. Taking a look at the bottom, there's a razor here, and that's kind of odd. There's the two little razors over here. anti-sliding with the anti-sliding rubber pads, and there's 2 razors in here in the front of the keyboard, and also it comes with the wrist rest. That's another thing that I like. This one is attached to it. You can detach it very easy, just like this. It comes off. Okay, let me take it off. See, it comes right out, and well, pretty much you have a keyboard with no wrist rest. But this wrist rest, guys, it's very nice. It has some type of rubber, soft rubber. It feels very good. Man, this keyboard, it's high quality left and right. There's nothing of this keyboard that is not high end, high quality. And putting back the wrist rest, well, this look right here, guys, this raises up the keyboard a lot. And now, instead of having more of a flat surface, we got more of a, I don't know, I'm kind of confused about the feeling of that. I do like the fact how my hand is placed in here. It just feels fantastic. It's like, man, you're ready to go. The keyboard comes included with this here, the WASD, and we got the F, the D, we got the E, the R, the Q, and the W keys. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those here in a minute. I'm not gonna do it here for the video. And also, guys, the Cherry MX fast speed switches, they feel fantastic. Let me go ahead and do a little sound test for you. I am pretending that I'm typing something, but truly, I am a potato at typing. Another of the features that I like, guys, is that it has, in the back of the keyboard, it has a pass-through for USB. Like, you can connect, like if you're using a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, you can plug in the dongle here, and pretty much it connects in there. There's 2 plugs, 2 USB plugs that go into the back of the computer. One is for the keyboard and the other one is for the adapter here. And also, guys, right here there's the option to change the polling rate of the keyboard. Also, it comes included with this little paper here, warranty against defects, warranty guide, and pretty much useless, I don't know what the hell this is, I don't know what you call this here, setup. This thing is useless. Go on YouTube and find information. Corsair, you're lacking on your paperwork. But other than that, guys, this keyboard here, it's an absolutely amazing keyboard. If you're thinking of getting this keyboard, guys, I know it's a long shot from, you know, those budget keyboards that I review here on my channel. They still get the job done. But this one here, guys, it's just something else. I mean, you feel the quality. I can say that the build quality from this keyboard to one of the budget keyboards, it's about the same thing. But the only difference that I can say, well, it's that I'm not going to compare an exact model of motherboards. I keep saying motherboards, Jesus. But truly, guys, comparing this keyboard with a budget keyboard, you're still gonna get you know your gaming done. You're still gonna be able to play your games, no problem. You're probably not even going to notice the difference, the 1.2 millimeter distance time. You're probably not even going to notice that on a budget keyboard versus this one. So pretty much this is kind of more like an ego kind of thing, because if your internet speed is shit and the input lag at the time that it responds to the the action into the game, if you're lagging, it's pointless to have a rapid fire keyboard if you have a shit connection or if you are on a shit server. So, but I'm not gonna get into that. So guys, like I said, if you're thinking of getting this keyboard, thumbs up from my side. There's so many features of this keyboard, guys. Well, not really many features. There's a whole bunch of RGB lighting effects that I truly don't care for. The only thing that I do is I have my keyboard here, and I got a couple little effects, but that's it. I am not, an RGB enthusiast, if I say that better. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like down below if you like this video, and share your opinion. Do you have this keyboard? What do you think? Do you enjoy it? Do you hate it? Leave your comments down below. I'll see you guys next time. You guys are beautiful.